Hello everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to put together my new Hexagonal Impossible Box die set. Now we've all seen the square versions, but this one is special because it is hexagonal and it took me a while to work this out, a few headaches too, but I got there and it's now in die set, which I absolutely love because then I'm not going to get a headache trying to make this. So this is what they look like. I have a Halloween one here and I have two autumn ones there. So if you've never seen an Impossible box, this is how it works. It opens up just like that. There we go, and then you can pop your treats in there and the lid just slides back on again. So let's try it with this one. Again, I've done some inking on this one. I've added some Halloween paper and used my Halloween fun die set. Now this is absolutely perfect for popping in loads of treats, and it just slides down like that. It's so much fun. And again, here we have an autumn one as well. So let's get ready now to show you how to make this one. Okay, so here is the die set. If you can see it, it's very bright. This is the Hexagonal Impossible Box die set. You get all of the mats here. Might be easier if I show you on this one here. You might be able to see this better. So you have the hexagonal shape here for the base. You cut two of these, and then you have a choice of edges here. So these ones go across the top, and these ones here go across the bottom. And if you're wondering why they're not fitting this entire shape, if we go back to this one here, the lid kind of goes over the top of that, so we need to keep that area clear. Okay, let's move that aside. I'm going to go for an autumn one. Again, you can cut this directly from the patterned paper, and you'll also be needing a large format die cutting machine for this too. Oh, I've just noticed I've got a little cat here. I didn't put that away from my last video. Let's pop him aside. Okay, so I'm going to cut this out twice, and I'm going to cut one of these hexagons here. Okay, so if I need to do any more die cutting, I can now move over to my standard sized big shot there just for the mats. Okay, so this has literally done all of that hard work for you. It's done all of the scoring and all of the cutting. Everything is in the right place. So let's get folding on all of these lines here. Now this top section here, this is the right way around. This top section folds over and it goes on the outside just like that. Okay, and then these ones bend inwards. So we need to fold these the other way. And yes, you will have better results if you use a bone folder, just to get some really nice creases there. Okay, so my weapon of choice, I guess, for adhesive wise is red tape. I'm just going to use some of my last bits here. Okay, so I'm going to add tape to this section and this section on both of them. I'm going to leave this top tab here completely free because I'm going to seal that last bit there with glue. Now the easiest thing to do here is just add your tape along all three. Use my Tim Holtz scissors there because they don't gunk up as quickly. And I'm just going to add a bit more tape. Go the other way. This is tapered now, so I'm following the shape of everything. Do the same on the other side. Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm just pressing down the backing right into the card here. Okay, so we should have something that now looks like this. Okay, so remember these top flaps fold outwards. So before I take the backing off, I'm just going to snip just into these bits of tape here. Okay, and then I'm just going to take all the backing just off the bottom tabs. Okay, so I'm going to grab my hexagon now. I'm going to start with the middle tab here. I'm going to go right up to the score line, just there. Then I'm going to take the other side, pop that just here. So this is the easiest way to get this box together without it getting too fiddly. Okay, so I'm just going to take off the side tabs now. Okay, so now we can start popping this together, just like that. Again, the red tape makes it a lot easier to do this. Okay, and there's one thing I forgot to mention. I did mention that these have to go outside, but before you glue all of these sides together, make sure that these are already pointing downwards, just like that. Okay, because it's going to be really hard to get these turned around inside out once it's all put together. If it's already in this position, it makes it so much easier. Okay, so that is our base popped together. So now we have this funny looking thing here. So all we have to do now is just squish this together. I mean, it's already done its little things that it needs to do to close already. It's done that naturally. So all we have to do now is just squeeze this together just like that, and then we have these two flaps here. So I am actually going to use glue for this. So I have some Cosmic Shimmer decanted into one of these little precision bottles here. So I'm going to add some glue just to this tab here. I'm not going right up to the score line because some of that score line is going to be visible. So we don't need the glue going right up to the edge. I just need to make sure that that's tucked in. There we go. That's going to tuck under. You don't want to put this lid together too tightly either. And then we need to do exactly the same on the other side. This one's come undone, so I'm going to add some more glue to this side here. Okay, and that is the impossible box. So all I have to do now is just decorate these. I have some pumpkins here, but I will do all that off camera, and there are plenty of photos and inspiration using this box as well. So everything that I've used to date will be listed down below. Thank you very much for joining me today. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe down there in the corner for more of these, and I'll see you again soon.